How to add another account to Discord Mobile? Is it possible? Yes, you can add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile, either it is iOS and Android. Discord supports this officially, but there is no official way to switch between them. So here is what you can do. Simply open the Discord Mobile app first of all, then tap on the Me at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the settings option available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the settings, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see logout option available there. And simply tap on the logout and confirm the logout. Once logged out, you will again be asked to sign up or log in. Tap on the login, and I have saved my two accounts password in my password manager in iPhone. So basically I'm using my Face ID to log in. So if you use this method, then it will be very easier for you to switch accounts in Discord, even though they do not have it officially. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.